Gonna do a video about how safe Dubai is. So you might have seen people do this in the past. I'm not suggesting Dubai or anywhere is zero crime. That's fantasy. But the crime is so low here that it's just on another level compared to the West. So I'm gonna demonstrate that for you right now, and hopefully I won't have my stuff robbed and have egg on my face. Either way, I'll post the results. So yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk over to JBR. I'm gonna put my laptop on the beach and I'm gonna go for a walk and come back. I can't have much more than 15-20 minutes just because I don't wear sunscreen, because I don't trust sunscreen. So I have to manage the sun somewhat, and with my pale skin I don't want to burn, but I find half an hour a day, especially early or late, half an hour a day, actually I build up a nice tan, which is alien to me because I never thought I could. Yeah, so if you look, that's my tower. I just walked down the street behind there, over this road, over this bridge, and then if you can see in the distance, just between these two buildings, this is JBR area and JBR Beach. You can see the tower just there, look, not the tower, you can see the wheel just there, which is on Blue Water Island. So I'm literally stone's throw down this road, like a 5-minute walk away from the beach, which is nuts. So yeah, this road right here going all the way up there is JBR Walk, and once I've crossed this road without getting killed, thank you, not usual for them to give away like that, it's very nice, then we're almost there. Remember folks, do not wash your feet here. So yeah, here we are. So literally not a very long walk. It takes longer to queue at the traffic lights for the crossing than it does to get down here. And it's lovely down here. There's all little restaurants and there's some beach clubs and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, here we are. So that goes down to all the restaurants and stuff. And I don't know what they're doing with this. Don't know what this is. It looks like it's newly covered that. A little thing for the kids here. Long Beach, this is JBR Beach. That's Blue Water Island over there. That's the address, you might recognise it. It's JBR Walk and the JBR Jumeirah Beach Residences area. Yeah. So yeah, that's the beach, look. It's very white today, the sand. The sun's beating down on it. Got some guy doing yoga or something here. Right, this is my experiment. I'm going to put my laptop down here. Let's put it just here. Okay. So this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro, just short of £3,000 when I bought it brand new. Biggest worry I've got here is getting sand in it, which I don't want. But for experiment's sake, imagine just having a phone in your hand in London. Right. So the time is 25 to 10 and the sun is just, this is where the laptop's going to be. The sun is directly above that building, so someone could probably do the maths. I don't see any cameras around. Who knows? Question is, how am I going to live to regret this? We'll see. So all of my Western instincts are saying, don't do this, Matt. Don't do this. But I'm not going to make it easy. I'm not going to put it in a mall somewhere where there's cameras, there's people walking about, there's lots of them. There's lots of opportunity right here for somebody to snatch that £3,000 laptop, and it could be off to China on a whatever you call it, container, and I'll never see it again. And honestly, my entire life, business, work, personal life, is on that laptop. I do not want to lose it. This is not a slam dunk. I've not got nobody else with me that's keeping an eye on it or anything like that. I'm literally going to go for a walk and we'll see what happens. Legit, I'm not 100%, so there's not some slam dunk, so we'll see what happens. So I'm now, I can't sit, I'm well away from it. It is on its own in the wild in Dubai. Whilst I come to the beautiful beach area. It's getting busy already because it's really hot here at the minute. It's like, I mean, it's 20 to 10-ish, and it's, I think when I looked it was like 36 degrees or something like that. So people are already finding their way to the beach, and the sea is already full. I'm gonna have a little splish splash, and I'm gonna have a little walk. I've set my little clock thing, I don't know what you call it, but that little dial thing, I've pointed it to roughly when I started walking, so I know how long I've been in the sun. My target's about a 7.5 minute walk this way, and then I'll have a 7.5 minute walk back. That's the plan. It always gets busiest down that end. It's a little less busy here at the minute. The sea is absolutely gorgeous, and the temperature is lovely. It's really clear as well. I don't know if you can see how clear it is. It's really clear. I see little fishies swimming, and it's a really nice temperature. It's lovely. You can just, it's not like that cold swimming pool. It's like just instantly I could get in there. Maybe the perfect temperature. Look at these fish. Can you see the little fishies? There's a shoal of fish just here, look. You see them? They're moving away from me. Oh no, it's picking up on camera. I can't really see it because it's so bright. Yeah. It's a gorgeous temperature. Gorgeous conditions. Lovely. But it's really hot. So I don't know if you can see it, but in the distance there, I might not even be pointing the right direction. The skydivers, can you see them? Skydivers coming down. And off in the distance there you can see, I don't know if I'm pointing to the right thing again, that's JBR Beachfront. That's such an epic area. Up and coming to a certain extent. A lot of the facilities aren't built there. You can see, I don't know if I'm pointing to it, but you can see just in the distance the Burj Al Arab. I think that was supposedly the world's first 7-star hotel, whatever that means. And then you can see beyond this start thing over there, you can see the Royal Atlantis, which is the new Atlantis on the palm. So the palm is kind of behind there. You can see, if in the distance, there's a girl I met at the pool yesterday, Nancy. She said the pink Atlantis. I've never known it be called as a pink Atlantis, but you can just see it off in the distance behind Hello Kitty. I don't know if you saw that or not. So yeah, that's kind of the palm as it's going up. JBR Beachfront, JBR. The address on the end. Abu Dhabi that way. Downtown Dubai that way. Quite a bit. But it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. So in any major city in the West, London, or even Birmingham, Manchester, Sheffield, somewhere in the UK, there's a good chance with that many people walking around, milling about, that laptop left there on its own, there's a good chance that's probably already gone now. I accept it's not been that long, it's not like it's been 8 hours, but chances are that's already gone, I would have thought. When 50,000 phone snatching incidents happen in 1 year in London, and that's reported ones, that's 1,000 a week being reported, phone snatchers out of the hands. That laptop would not last in an area this busy, this many people walking about. It's not just locals, it's not just expats, there's a lot of tourists here. I don't know how long that laptop would last. So yeah, I'm going to turn around in a minute. Not because I'm scared, just because I don't want to burn. I tell you what, I can legit say I'm pretty calm about it. Like I say, I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty calm about it. Maybe it's because it would be an excuse to buy a new laptop. And honestly, if you see my Apple purchase history over the years, I don't need much bloody excuse to buy new laptops, but that would be a good one that somebody stole it. But yeah, I expect it will still be there. I know it's only going to be 15-20 minutes, whatever, but like I say, in the West, that's disappearing. That is not bloody staying there, so we'll see. So I've tried to do a bunch of talking and walking to give you a sense of time scale, just to let you know that this is legit. I've just left it on its own, and I'm coming back 15-20 minutes later. Again, I left it overnight or anything like that, but honestly, I think I probably could, but we shall see. Just the sound of the waves, the water, and the ground in, the earth beneath my feet, and the sun shining down. This has got to be a healthier lifestyle. Got to be a healthier lifestyle. Sun, sea, sand, what's not to love? And when you live in Dubai, this is not a 2-week holiday where you've got to ram getting in the sun. Oh, I've better put my suntan lotion on, roll around like a rotisserie chicken on the beach, so nobody says, oh, have you been on holiday when you get home? They love to say that. They love to say that to me because I don't really tan that well. Oh, have you been on holiday? Or something like that. But yeah, so this is everyday life here. I'm sure at some point it will get repetitive, boring, monotonous, but I don't know when that point is. Every day I wake up thinking, I feel like I'm on holiday. Like yesterday, I had such an epic day. I set out to do a whole bunch of work. So yesterday was going to be a very productive day. I ended up drinking, just with some random Brit. I had a bunch of drinks. Oh yeah, so yesterday was a bit written off, but I'm feeling better today. Not got a hangover or anything like that. So yeah, sun's shining, sea's nice, life's good. At least it is here in Dubai. I don't know how it is in the UK. They've just done the elections or whatever, and I like to think people are still voting for Labour and Keir Starmer after what he's done in these few short months he's been in Prime Minister. Unreal. Give your head a wobble. You're either not paying attention or you're voting for your team, but whatever it is, stop doing it. Labour are a disaster. Keir Starmer's a disaster. The only chance the UK has got is getting those tyrant globalists out of there. Anyway, I try not to make this a political rant video. I might be making it a my laptop got stolen in Dubai video in a minute, but we'll see, because we're almost back. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. I'm going to do the walk back up, and I have no idea if it's still there or not, but you'll see real time yourself. Okay, so I'm on the walk back up. Yoga man's gone. So have the two men that were there with the rucksacks that could have easily put it into the rucksack. I've got to say, every part of me was like, do not leave it here, but we shall see. You will see in real time. I can see my shirt's there still, and hopefully my shoes are. We shall see. I'm literally nervous right now. I'm literally nervous. Nope. Dubai. There it is. There it is. So time-wise, that's the difference in time. I was stood here roughly. That's where the sun is, so you can see it's moved. And yeah, it's not like there's no one been around, but there's my laptop, and we're good. Habibi, come to Dubai. Dubai's safe, baby. It's safe. It's so safe. Can you imagine if somebody swaps it out for like a shitty 1998 MacBook or something like that? Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm thinking I've got my MacBook Pro 16-inch back, and I'm going to get some, like, I don't know, beat up old thing. That'd be funny. Not. But yeah, here we are. And now I'm going to go to that Starbucks over there, get myself a Starbucks, probably edit this video and upload it, and get on with doing some actual work today, because every day is not a holiday, even when it feels like it is. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in relocating to Dubai, I'm going to put a video here or here, don't know where it's going to be, and it'll tell you the whole process, how to do it, how easy it is, how easy it's not, what you got to do, and all that jazz. So yeah, go watch that video, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.